Thank you. My name's Christopher Locher, and I've been in the biotech industry for about 20 years. I want to share with you today a really compelling technology that may be a total game changer for immunotherapies and vaccines. I have a question for the audience. Who enjoys getting a flu vaccine every year? No? The flu virus changes every single year because it's always mutating. Therefore, the vaccine has to be made every year as well to try to keep up with it. So do you know how they're made, how the vaccines are made? In fertilized chicken eggs. And we want to change all that at Versatope Therapeutics. With our technology, we can deliver a flu vaccine that protects against any strain of flu that we've tested it against so far. And we can do it giving a single immunization. How would you like to go to the doctor and just get one shot and never have to go back to get another flu vaccine? Would you like that? Yeah, absolutely. So would I. We want to make infectious diseases a thing of the past. And we do it very easily, too. It's pretty straightforward. It's almost as simple as brewing beer. So we use these using extracellular vesicles derived from probiotics, or exosomes. And they're designed by nature and customized by Versatope. The flu virus has been especially deadly this year. And with our solution, we can give it with a single immunization and protect against any strain of flu that we've tested it against so far. We do this by displaying specific regions and targeting regions on the surface of the flu virus and putting them all together from these different strains onto a single particle. And when we did this, when the CDC tested our vaccine, it actually worked better than a commercial flu vaccine. Versatility is our competitive advantage. We can put all kinds of different molecules within the exosomes themselves or on the surface. And this is one of our distinguishing factors. In contrast, our competitors often rely on complicated chemical formulations, but we don't do that. We want to make it simple. In addition, it's relatively cheap to make. We have a low cost of goods, and we have the potential to deliver it by the mucosal route and give it in a single immunization. Other people have used other extracellular vesicles, and we have a substantial body of data in other infectious diseases and some data in allergy as well. Other folks have used it to deliver RNA and to use monoclonal antibodies on the surface for very specific cell targeting. And it's been also used in cancer immunotherapeutics as well. Vaccines are a growing market every year. When we launch our influenza vaccine, we want to target a small percentage of the $2 billion influenza vaccine in the United States. Our business model is working with strategic partners and leveraging non-dilutive funding. Recently, we were awarded an SBIR grant of $225,000, and we're seeking a seed round of investment of about $5 million to show that our vaccine is safe and well tolerated in people. The Versatope team has over 100 years of combined startup experience. The Cornell University founders, Matt DeLisa and Dave Putnam, have started other successful biotech companies of their own. And Mark Duffy, our CFO, has worked with about 30 startups and raised close to $400 million. Lee Fan has raised tens of millions of dollars in non-dilutive funding, and Kien Wen, who's head of the fermentation processes, has led many successful scale-up campaigns. We have a strong network of business advisors and consultants, and our poster is right there in the corner if you'd like to follow up with any questions after the talk. Thank you.